the city which contributes the highest to Vista sales nationally for Tata Motors. So we are very, very proud to be here, and this has been a city which has continuously given us direct consumer inputs towards our product development. Taking you through the slightly boring part of product. So we start with the Vista Tech. A lot of stuff has come into the new Vista Tech. The car is parked outside. We'll show you the car right after this presentation. A new Drive Pro console is there. A GPS multimedia touchscreen has come on a hatch, which is a really, really awesome feature to have in a small car in India today. The powerful 75 PS engine continues. Dual tone interior really spruce up the interior of the vehicle. 5-speed gearbox, new colors. The details I will try and give you in the slides, defining them into 3 pillars of Tata Motors as we talk them about. Unmatched design, unmatched connect, and unmatched drive. To give you a sense, ladies and gentlemen, these are the 3 pillars on which product development happens across Tata Motors in all its products. So hence, let me give you the Vista story under these 3 headings. Unmatched design, the Drive Pro console, a unique feature on the Vista, it's worth seeing it on the product. A new Blue Chill launch color. Again, the cars parked outside are in this Blue Chill color. Triple barrel headlamps, front and rear fog lamps, and ebony black Sahara Beach interiors. Now let's go to connectivity, which is the new age customer asking everything to be worked out of one handheld device, which is now touch enabled. So we give the customer in the car a touch screen navigation system, which is in a lot of high-end cars in India today, but this is the hatch to get one product, which has Bluetooth connectivity, central locking with keyless entry, a very smart driver information system, and steering mounted audio controls. A lot of international manufacturers still to get all this on their cars, and we in Tata Motors, leading innovation in all our cars, have brought this to you in the newly christened product called the Vista Tech. Unmatched drive, the 3rd pillar that I was talking about. First was design, second was connect, the 3rd is drive. 75 PS powerful engine with a 190 Newton meter torque, comparative with most of the cars in the market today. A Eurotech gearbox, perfectly matted with the engine, which has been a very, very good and positive feedback from all our existing customers also. Fixed lumbar seats, side impact zones, tilt adjustable steering, an amazing fuel efficiency of 22.3 kmpl, refined and silent engine, not something that was there in the past. Best in class suspension. Best in class suspension is something unfortunately you can't see on a car standing, but we would encourage you to do media drives at our showrooms. It is something worth enabling and worth seeing when you sit in the car in the front seat or in the rear passenger seat. ABS and EBD, strong sturdy steel structure. Our cars have always stood for very stable sound safety, being planted on the roads even on curvy or high speeds, and all 4 power windows. So Vista Tech, summarizing it, I'm sure you've heard a large number of features from me in the past 2-3 minutes, but features that are not seen in comparable cars in the segment today. Touchscreen navigation, driver information system, Bluetooth enabled, steering mounted controls, triple barrel headlamps. The new Vista Tech is a winner on the roads, and we are expecting, as Hyderabad has always embraced the Vista, the highest across the country, that this will do well in Hyderabad going forward also. The nano twist at the glance. So the story doesn't end at the Vista. You've seen that the Vista is and will be a winner going forward. Let me give you a sense of the nano. As Mr. Dhar presented in his part, customers are asking for more and more features, and something that the Nano did not have in its journey is something that we get today. The all new electric power assist steering, which is why we call the Nano, in its youthful avatar, the Nano Twist. The product concept, again I talk in the 3 pillars that we now stand for: design, connect, and drive. Design, the new damsel purple car, stunning in its look, standing outside, waiting for you to see it. 21% more space, something that Nano has stood for from day one. 31 design patents, that was the innovation that this country saw. A proud car, not only for Tata Motors, but also for the nation. Connect, a remote keyless entry, a very smart feature in an entry-level car. AmfiStream music system, something that Ashish said is customers, the today's youth who are looking for independence, freedom, they want their self to be embodied in the vehicle. We give them a very smart music system, which is Bluetooth enabled for streaming music. Driver information system with chip computer to assist the driver. And obviously this is the most fuel efficient car at 25 kmpl in gasoline. It comes with the electric power assist steering, which is the EPAS. The smallest turning radius of 4 meter. I'm sure you would have seen nanos turning sharply around the city of Hyderabad and in Andhra Pradesh. It has the smallest turning radius of 4 meter. A ground clearance of 180 millimeter, which is in some comparative SUVs today, and technology patents.